This video shows you how to use the redirect option in a flow end node. We have a simple flow for creating a new shop article. Let's add an article. I'll speed this up a little. After the flow is finished, this redirect button takes us back to the Launchpad. Have you ever wondered if you can redirect the users to some other pages after a finished flow? Well, I'll show you how to do it. Let's show the users the list view of all articles after creating a new one. Simply copy the link of the particular view or whatever link you want and open the Flow Designer with your flow. Insert the link into the Redirect Path field. You can also rename the Redirect button label. Let's publish the flow and see the result. As you can see, the renamed button takes us now to the articles view.